Dear students, wishing you all a very happy Maha Shivaratri. On this special day, let's learn how to paint Lord Shiva in a simple way. First, take cobalt blue with a flat brush number 8 and apply it from the left corner to the middle of the page in a diagonal direction. Next, take dark blue or violet from the bottom corner and blend it with the cobalt blue. Now, take white color with a point brush number 5, hold another brush in your left hand and tap the point brush on it to create a star effect. Using a point brush number 8 and white color, carefully draw the shape of Lord Shiva's face. Take dark blue or violet with a point brush number 8 and apply it wherever I am applying. Use a point brush number 5 to draw the eyebrows, eyes, nose and lips. Blend dark and light colors properly, especially near the facial features. Take dark blue or violet again to define the features and hair more clearly. Use white color to add highlights. Now take black to paint the hair and add depth to the eyes, nose and lips. Use white to create the namam on the forehead and dark blue to draw the third eye. Take white to paint jewelry, the moon and some lighting effect on the hair. Using dark blue, paint the Trishul. Apply red wherever I did, followed by yellow. Finally, draw the snake on the top of the hair using white and light orange to divide its sections properly, and use black for the snake's eyes. This is how we can paint Lord Shiva in an easy way. So please try practicing it to master the technique. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to receive my updates.